Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change a font in Shopify. So firstly, what you will do is just simply click on online store over here, then go to your themes. Now click on customize on your theme. Now for this example, let's choose the product page of this particular website. Now in order for you to change the font, what you have to do is just simply click on the paintbrush icon over here, which is theme settings. So just simply click that. And over there you will find typography. It might be font in some different themes, but it will mostly be the second option. It might be font or typography. It's up to the theme that you have chosen for your website. So just simply choose the second option. Now over there you will find all the settings related to font. So let me show you how you can change that. So in order for you to change it, just simply click on change over here. So we are making a change in headings, which is this one. Simply click change. And over here you will find multiple fonts. You can also load more if you want to. So let's choose one. Let's go with this one. Simply give some seconds for it to load in. You can keep on changing until you like one. So after you've selected a font, just simply click select. You can also change the scaling of your font from the slider below. As you can see, the size just increased. Now, simply drag the bar down. You can also change the font for the body as well. Let me show you. Just simply click on change. Choose any font of your liking. Then click select. Then if you want to change the size, you can also do that. So after making all the changes, just simply click save at the top right corner. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.